Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sonu Model Makers, Noida, India. Today I am showing you second part of this emergency switch, that is panic switch. You can also see my first part of this video, that is the model when the model is under construction. And this is a stepper motor, and this is Arduino Nano. This is 5-volt terminal of Arduino Nano. First I am showing you how this all thing work. Friends, this is a hall. This is any cinema hall, any kind of hall where there is a public get together, any party hall, anything. Nothing that you need not to focus on your mind on this is a cinema hall, this is any kind of this is a hall where there is any kind of get together is going on. Okay, so this room is filled with so many people, and this is the central path is the exit path, and this is fire exit. This is fire exit or this is emergency exit. And in emergency situations, when someone come toward this door and press this switch, the whole circuit will activated. And these ropes goes down for 1 hour, and then after 1 hour they come back. These ropes, the function of these ropes is to protect the pupil from any kind of stampede. In Hindi you can say भगदड़ मचना. कभी भी किसी रूम में भगदड़ मच जाता है. If there is any emergency situation in any room, people going एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ के जाना means pupils are running here and there and crushing other pupils. मतलब उनके ऊपर चढ़ के जा रहे हैं, उनको क्रश कर रहे हैं, उनको चोट लग रही है, तो उस कंडीशन में रोप्स नीचे आ जाएंगी और ये प्रोटेक्शन हो सकता है. दोस्तों, ये एक खाली आइडिया है, इसमें बहुत सारे एक्सेप्शंस हो सकते हैं. आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि ऐसा नहीं होता, वैसा नहीं होता. आप बहुत तरह के दिमाग में एक्सेप्शंस लगा सकते हो. दोस्तों, ये सिर्फ एक प्रोजेक्ट है, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा हाईली प्रोफेशनल कोई चीज़ नहीं है. ये रोप्स के साथ में बहुत सारे एक्सेप्शंस हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि रोप्स नीचे आ जाएंगी तो उसके बाद में क्या वाकई में लोग बच जाएंगे. देखो, ये एक सिर्फ प्रोटेक्शन का एक जरिया है. मान लो इस रूम में किसी तरह से पानी भर जाता है, तो उससे बचने के लिए इफ़ दिस रूम इज़ फिल्ड विद वाटर, then this is also a good option to to protect the people inside the hall. There are so many other conditions, there are a lot of other conditions like earthquake and other conditions in which the room is we need to use this fire exit, and these ropes will help us to go out from this room. Thank you friends, have a nice day. If you want to if you have any question, any query, please write down in the comment box. If you want to know the circuit diagram, anything about this whole thing, please